Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, if you own a 24 or 25 Ford PowerStroke, today is your lucky day. You can now tune those trucks. That's right, we've got a 24 Platinum Glacier Grey strapped to the Mustang Dyno on 37-inch tall tires. Realistic builds for what? So that way we can figure out how much power this thing makes. We're living in 2025. Trucks, do they make 500 rear-wheel horsepower? Yes, we're gonna be pumping this thing up, powered by our F1 HP package. But before we do that, what do we need? We need a base. Okay, so we're gonna start this run in 8th gear. I'm gonna start my pull at 2,200 RPMs. We got 37s on it. This truck can't make too much power, right? 6th gear, 160 degrees where I like the oil temp, coolant temp. Bring it up on 7th gear. Let's get it into 8th. All right, we're gonna take it about 2,800 RPMs. 1,900. We're in here at 2,200. And 2,800. Let's see what we got. Let's let her cool down. 502 rear-wheel horsepower and 1,017 feet-pound of torque. That was not supposed to go like that. That was not supposed to happen at all. Holy shit. All right, guys, let's take a look at that. That was not what we planned, not what we talked about. That is fucking awesome. So let's take a look here at this graph. Bill will get up close on it for you guys so that way you can actually see this power band on 37-inch tall tires. This thing is a monster. That shit right there, just a little bit of it needs to warm up. 2,200 RPMs all the way to 2,900 RPMs, but the efficiency range of this truck is right around here, 25 to 26. So I'm going to let the truck warm up a little bit more. We're gonna make another pull and see if it'll line out its factory fuel pressure. It's gonna make more than 500. So it's worth a try on the Ford PowerStrokes. Let's get this thing in park so it stops burping at me. All right. She's happy now. We laid down 495 rear horsepower and 1,018 feet-pound of torque. Now my peak horsepower came in a little bit low. These trucks are usually good for one hit. You better get it done, and then that intercooler needs to take a break. But over 500 rear horsepower in 2025. These Ford PowerStrokes coming with that kind of power out of the factory, absolutely amazing. So it brings us this question. You're gonna be upgrading the truck, which is we're gonna be doing our F1 HP package. Why would you do that on a truck that already comes out the gate swinging? It is. This is a Vander Holyfield. This thing is a Mike Tyson of all builds, but there can be better drivability out of these trucks. There can be more efficient out of it. Take power completely out of the realm of it. If you want a more dependable, you want a more reliable and a more realistic truck, meaning you hop in and go and doesn't break down going up here to the gas station or you need to get to the soccer field, F1 HP package is that. And number two, it just kicks ass and takes names and sounds like a diesel. So if you guys want to drop a bunch of comments, make for sure we specifically talk about F1 HP package. Nothing outside of that, drop them below. I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. This thing will be upgraded, so make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because the next time you see the Glacier Grey, we're going to be putting down some number, boys.